Imagine being able to generate high-quality anime images, or even turn a single image into an actual anime-style scene, all with just one prompt. If you're wondering what tool does that, it's called PixAI. PixAI is an anime-focused AI platform that lets you create consistent anime characters, experiment with different styles, and even generate short anime videos without complicated setups. Let's start. First, search up pixai.art on your browser. Link is in the description. Then click on the first search results. Once the website loads, you'll land on PixAI's main generation page, where everything is laid out clean and beginner-friendly, so you don't need to mess with complicated settings. At the top, you can paste in your prompt and hit generate, and if you scroll down, you can browse through all the images generated on PixAI, get inspiration from other creators, and even remix styles you like. On the left side, you'll see different sections like the homepage, generation, models, and an option to chat with Mio. Let's click on generation and start creating our images and videos. At the top of the generation page, you can paste in your prompt, and on the right side, you can switch between different models depending on the anime style you want. If you click View More Models, you can see all the available models and pick the one that best matches the look you're going for. Below that, you can add different LoRAs to customize things like characters, outfits, and art styles. Once you add a LoRA, you can also adjust its strength so you have control over how strongly it affects the final image. If you click View More LoRAs, you can scroll through a huge library of LoRAs and add the ones you want, with a limit of up to 15 LoRAs at a time. And below that, you can change the aspect ratio. If you click More, you can switch between landscape and portrait layouts, and also adjust the image's pixel size. Now let's write in our prompt. I'll just type Freerun and let PixAI's autofill and prompt helper handle the rest. This is great for beginners because you don't need to know complex prompt engineering. PixAI expands your idea automatically to get better anime-style results. Then I'm going to hit generate, and in a few moments, PixAI creates a high-quality anime-style image with clean details and consistent character features. I'll keep the same prompt, switch to a different LoRA, and generate again so you can clearly see how the style and details change. Now let's go to the image-to-video generation feature. First, upload the image you want to animate. After that, you can choose between 3 different video models, depending on whether you want better prompt accuracy, stronger character consistency, or more dynamic motion. Next, select your mode, either basic or professional. Then choose the duration of your video, paste in your motion prompt, and hit generate. And within a few moments, PixAI generates a smooth anime-style video while keeping the character consistent.
この日差し、いいね。
Now let's move on to the Mio AI assistant. Mio is PixAI's built-in AI assistant that lets you create and edit images using simple, natural language instead of clicking through a bunch of settings. For example, I can just tell Mio what I want in plain English. Here I asked it to generate an image of one girl sitting in a sunflower field with a summer vibe. Then I just hit send, and within a few moments, Mio generates the image for me. Then, without changing any settings myself, I can simply say, generate the same image with a softer art style, and Mio handles the refinement automatically. This makes it really easy to iterate and tweak your images without having to start over or rewrite prompts. This is the image Mio generated, and honestly, these came out really clean. The composition makes sense, the colors are soft, and the character still looks consistent even after changing the art style. What I like here is that I didn't have to touch any settings or rewrite prompts. I just told Mio what I wanted, and it handled the refinement for me. For quick iterations or idea testing, this is actually really useful. Overall, PixAI is a really solid option if you're looking for an anime-focused AI tool with strong character consistency and beginner-friendly features. If you want to try it yourself, I've left the link in the description and pinned comment. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.